Welcome back to TECHHUB site. In today's videos, I'll be sharing with you guys the best interactive broadcast of 2022. Okay, so in case if this is your first time watching my video here on YouTube and you haven't yet subscribed, I'd like you to take just 5 seconds of your time, hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video here on YouTube, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so my name is Emmanuel. Okay, in case if you don't know me. Okay, so in order for me not to waste your time, let's get started now. Okay, so let me quickly dive into my browser and show you guys the best interactive broadcast which you need to make use of this 2022. Okay, so I'm on it now. Let's go there. IQ option. Okay, so search on your Google IQ options. Okay, search on your browser IQ option. Okay, so the first keyword that pops up in the site. Okay, so let's click on it and see how their site looks like. Okay, let's see exactly how their site looks like. So guys, this is in this let's quickly change this their own language to English. Okay, now this is the English. Okay, so um this site has been in the industry for more than years now, so many years. Okay, so you can trade in the stock, forex, and crypto. Okay, so they also have the commodities, ETFs, and so many types of pairs. Okay, so and um and and the minimum amount which you can invest with them is just $1. Okay, so with a lot size of 1.500 leverage. Okay, so actually they have so many types of payment method during time of depositing and withdrawing your money. Okay, so they have the screw, perfect money, ADVash, Netera, Mastercard, Visa, ADV wire transfer, FCMB, Visa, Web Money, Wema Bank, Access, GT Bank, First Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA, and Union Bank. Okay, so they have so many types of payment method which you can make use of in terms of depositing and withdrawing your money. And the good part of it is that they have the um customer care 247. Okay, so you can you 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 can chat with their team anytime, any day you want. Okay, 247. Okay, so actually they have the app extension and they also have the web extension where you can choose to tweet. Okay, you can also link your bot to it if you want to make use of both. Okay, so in case if you don't have an account yet with them, you can kindly you only need 3 steps in order for you to start trading with them. One is open an account for free in just a few minutes. Okay, two is master your skills with a practice account and educational content. Okay, so the number three is deposit and trade more than 250 instruments and a minimum deposit of $10 for optimal trading. Okay, so in case you haven't yet created an account with them, you can go ahead and hit the open account. Actually they are part of the best award ever winning. Okay, so they have win an award in the forex industry. Okay, so um you can actually go ahead and create an account with them without any fears. Okay, so for those of you who actually want to make money with them without you investing your money, then you can join their affiliate program. Okay, where you refer people to this site to earn some percentage each time they sign up and deposit and start trading on the site. Okay, so they have the highest shares for their affiliates. Okay, so you can go ahead and sign in um and start making money with them. This is how to start. Okay, register, get a link, promote that link and get paid. Okay, so that is the only four things you need, okay, to start making money as an affiliate in IQ option. Okay, so in case you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do by going over to YouTube, search for TECHHUB site, like any of my videos so that YouTube will help me also in sharing it. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a new video here on YouTube, you will be the first to get notified.